In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock an individual application on iPhone or iPad on iOS 14. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Mayank and I'm a technologist based in Singapore, and on this channel we explore various tech topics, tricks as well as devices to make you tech smart. So if you're interested in such content, do hit the like button, subscribe to Tech with MK so that you get notified every time I upload a video, which is once every week. So there has been a feature in iOS 13 or previous iOS versions as well, which was screen time, which allowed you to really lock the application somehow, but it wasn't really very perfect as such. We have a better solution using shortcuts as well as screen time, which allows you to do something similar to really locking the application, and as well as using Face ID to unlock the application, where you do get the notification even when the application is locked, which was something that was a problem when we were using the screen time solution. So let's get started.
So first we need to open settings. Under settings we have screen time option. If this is not enabled for you, in that case I'm going to show you how to really enable this. I'm just going to turn it off. Once turned off, something like this, then you can click on turn on screen time. That will be the option that will be shown to you. Continue, and yes, this is my iPhone. After this gets enabled, then I can set up a passcode. This can be a different passcode as compared to your phone code. Now it is asking me for the Apple ID and password. I can skip this step like this, skip. Now under the app limits, add limit, I can really go and put a limit on WhatsApp. This is the old method that I was talking about. I'm just going to put 1 minute of the time for adding the limit as such. And once this is done, we go out. Let's just see. Okay, now WhatsApp icon is really grayed out. It looks like it is not installed properly. I'm going to click on this. Once I open WhatsApp, it shows OK or ask for more time. If I click on OK, the app is going to close itself. If I go again, ask for more time, then I have two options, one more minute, or enter screen time passcode that I can enter to really open the application. But anyways, let's just go back. I'm just going to remove this for now. So in the settings, again in the screen time, I'm going to delete the WhatsApp limit. Let's go to settings again and look for guided access. Once I'm there, I can enable or disable this, and under the passcode settings, this should be enabled for you. Make sure that this is enabled. Under passcode settings, we have set up the passcode. I can set it up a different passcode as compared to the phone code, and Face ID should be enabled so that you can use Face ID as well for this lock purpose that we are talking about in this video. Now let's open shortcuts. Under shortcut on the automation tab, now I need to click on the top right button, the plus button, create personal automation. Here, if I scroll down, I have app. When the app opens, in that case, what is supposed to happen? So which application is what I'm going to choose here? That's WhatsApp in this case. So whenever WhatsApp opens, now we have series of actions that we can really add. First action that I'm going to add here is the scripting action. This scripting action allows us to really open an application whenever something opens. Now I click on this, I choose calculator. Why I'm choosing calculator is also something that I'm going to show you. You will understand why exactly it is like that. Now under the second action, I'm going to choose start guided access. Yes, and next. Now you need to make sure that ask before running should be disabled so that it does not ask if the guided access should run or things like that. Yes, done. Once this is done, now when I open WhatsApp, you see that calculator gets opened and I get a message that guided access has opened. So now if you will notice, the calculator app is open, but I cannot do anything. I cannot scroll or do anything. I can use calculator, but nothing else is accessible as such. So to unlock this, I'm going to triple click on the right side button and enter the passcode that I entered. Now I have this option to end or resume the guided access. I'm going to end this guided access itself. Go back to the settings, go back to the shortcuts and disable this particular shortcut that we have created under the automation tab. I can see this, disable this, done. And then I can access WhatsApp directly as well, and it's not really going to open calculator as it was supposed to open. So now the issue is that shortcuts is accessible directly. So if somebody knows that this is something that I've done, they can disable it and do it, right? So under screen time, again, I'm going to add an app limit here, app limit for the shortcuts itself. I'm just going to search the application directly, like the shortcuts application, and add an app limit for screen time of 1 minute in this one. The passcode for this can be completely different as well. So now shortcut is not accessible without the passcode as such. So that's how shortcode is protected. Our application is protected. Both of the protection is done in two different ways.
So I hope you like this video. I understand this particular one is a bit cumbersome, but yes, it works very well, and I would recommend you to use this for all sort of finance application that you're using so that they are secure enough. So if you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to Tech with MK for more such content every week.